Okay, I literally just made it to Kosta's house and we're so freaking late for our appointment. We have like 10 minutes long to get there and we're 15 minutes or 20 minutes away. Well, I'm told that we're gonna be late. Kosta is still freaking dressed and I don't know what's wrong with him. Good morning, people. I forgot to mention that. Did you just shower too? So I'm going to take Addison. We have a really long day today. Why are we so late? I'm always late. I'm hungry. We're gonna go to eat at a buffet after the Addison, and now I'm just waiting for Kosta. I'm ready before Kosta. It's very surprising, y'all. Mark this day down in history. I just did a whole fit change in the car. Hopefully nobody's around to see. About to head to Miami. Hey, Miami or Basal. Hey. How about a bread, boy? For my thigh-high boots. I got these bomb thigh-high boots from Stuart Weissman. Manager actually gave it to me because she just had so many of them that she didn't know what to do with it. And guess who said give it to her? I sure did. And thigh-high boots don't normally fit me, but her foot is as skinny as mine, so she had it custom made to her sizing. Oh, so it's a size 8. Fits perfectly if I can get my feet in. Oh, there we go. Okay, and you just pull this up. Your girl is fleeky. Kosta hasn't seen them yet, so we'll wait for him to see it. Ugh. And I literally based my whole outfit around these boots, okay? These boots are made. Oh my god, this is harder than I thought. Okay, so this is the isolated parking lot that I was in, so hopefully nobody saw your girl changing in this area. Does it look good, Constantine? Oh yeah! Constantine approved and we're on our way to Miami.
Huh?
Which one we want?
The one there with the slides in the back.
Oh. Which one is the Disney one now? Oh.
How many kids are there?
Oh yeah, now I've seen the Disney one. Why is Disney one so small? Disney rich, you should have a bigger one.
Like,
right? There you go.
We went on that one too.
Look how much traffic. Which one we want? Oh, the journey should at least take us I want something. And we are sitting here in traffic. I think like the whole, like we've never been to the Art Basel before. So I think everywhere in Miami, everywhere in Miami, like different areas in Miami have the Art Basel and different things are going on. But the one we trying to go out is in South Beach and it's like far south, like deep south Miami. So there's a bunch of traffic and I don't know. It's 24 minutes. It's 4:41 we'll reach here. I need some sunlight to be able to take some nice, beautiful pictures. Right, Kosta? Right, photographer? Anyway, so hopefully we get there with at least some sunlight so I can take some nice pictures and we just enjoy the night. But besides that, everybody about to go on a cruise and Kosta wants to go on a cruise himself. Finally here in Miami. Took us forever to find a park because Kosta was freaking out. Impatient little guy. This guy here. Catch him on camera. Just in case he he's just so this is our first time in Miami at Basel. Say hi, Papa. Hey, look at Papa outfit. Tell Papa you look good. Show it off, babe. Show him what you got. Show them what you got.
Big tall brand though.
Ah, we made it. Oh, my good suede boots in this time, boy. How we gonna wear suede to the beach, girl? I'll step up in our house on you. I don't know, Stuart Weissman.
Go on your face. Can't record your butt cheeks. Cheeks.
Kosta's like, maybe you know where you going? Wrong. Oh, look at people behind us. Not sure, I think. Okay, just so see me. Hold my hand just in case I trip. Okay, we are currently leaving. It was, how was it, Costa?
It was great.
It's so annoying. But we had a good time. I don't know what we're gonna be doing now. Probably go get something to eat because Costa was hungry. But overall, it was definitely worth the price, even though we didn't really pay anything for it. But we're leaving, as you guys can see. It's about an hour from each other, so we should go.
Parking as well.
Yeah. So that's pretty much it for the vlog, guys. We'll see you in another one.
Huge.
That's the one we're on? Royal Caribbean will always get my vote.